This morning we have a very, very important visitor. Though he is not a visitor, he is not a new man in this palace. Since the days of your late father, the Emir of Kano, the former Emir of Kano, Alhaji Ado Bayero. He visited this palace several times, even before he was a governor of Lagos State, when he was a governor of Lagos State, and also when he exited from the government of Lagos State. He is here for a purpose, specifically to mark his birthday, which is followed by, as tradition, was a colloquium to discuss issues of national interest. Your Royal Highness, we found it absolutely necessary for him to pay homage to you, being the custodian of tradition, culture, and religion for the people of Kano State. Thank you, and God bless.
Support of the Emirates. Many of you have met while our late father was alive. Many of you had been playing roles of prayers, of holding the culture and the value and the character of this palace for quite some time. I don't want to identify individuals today, but you all know me. I am greatly honored to be here to pay a courtesy call on a brother and a father of tradition who inherited the position well deserved as the Emir of Kano and the chairman of the Emirate. I thank God for you, and I continue to pray for God's guidance, increase in wisdom, good health, and greater development and transformation of the Kano with people and the state. We've seen many progress and the transformation. And as soon as we leave here, we are going to be going around to see the progress of work being done by the governor. But first of all, why am I here? In Kano. Nigeria is going through a very serious turn. Kano is one of the most critical, most populous, most accommodating, most transformative, and most stable, most, important states in this country. And you have helped maintain peace, stability at the time of great challenges. You have collaborated to sustain a bridge of peace, prosperity, harmony, tolerance, good living between our faith, our diverse, though tongues and tribes may differ, you have exhibited and promote our diversity without rancor. This is what the country needs to promote employment, to promote our youth, to see to the future that we bring a Nigeria of opportunity, Nigeria of prosperity, Nigeria of stability. There can be no peace and prosperity. There can be no progress and development. There can be no industrialization that will create jobs for your grandchildren, for grandchildren and mine, if there's no peace and stability in the country. And the best example is for a Lagosian to come here, join hands. Lagos, most populous state. I must not say otherwise when I'm in the palace of Kano. I must join hand and say yes. And when I get out, what I say is different. And that is good for us. Kano and Lagos must be seen talking to Nigerians, celebrating, marking, debating, and promoting peace and harmony together.
He thanks, His Highness thanks Jagaban for the visit. He also prays that he continues to have a good life and good health, continue serving the people of Nigeria. The second issue is Jagaban's visit includes inspecting projects being carried out by the Ganduje administration. His Highness is pleading with His Excellency the Governor of Kano State to limit the inspection tour of the project, because if Jagaban is going to visit all the projects, he will take more than 1 week and we will do nothing but visit it. His Highness says he's asking Jagaban to do what he can and leave the rest to His Highness and the governor to continue the inspection. He says if His Highness finishes the remaining inspection of the projects of the Ganduje administration, he will visit Lagos to brief Ashwaju on the projects. Whatever politicians discuss, the discussion will be fruitful and it will be to the benefit of our people. And we pray that God guides them and gives them wisdom in their discussions. Political leaders.
Kullum muna jawo hankali ko kuma mana nasiha da dukkan inda shugabanni na siyasa suka ce shi ne alƙibla, al'umma suna bin wannan alƙibla, don haka muna kira gare su nuna mana gabas kada su nuna kudu ko yamma.
Besides, wants to assert that whenever the political leaders direct and they show direction, our people follow. So he's praying and pleading that they show us where east is, covers. Don't show us where west or south is, but east is our direction.
Wato na nufin hanya madaidaiciya.
It means the straight path, not necessarily the direction, is the straight path.